So another one mga tito, good afternoon again. So we have received another perfume na idasama natin sa ating mga ino-offer for the sa ating page sa Tiny Elixir Perfume Co. Please like and share. This is Toy Boy by Moschino or Moschino, how you pronounce it, I don't know. Ito yung kanyang bote. This is an EDP. So, yung details, marami siyang details sa likod, oh. So, yan, kung ano yung pangalan kung ano yung accords niya. So, what I can say is, Cute Battle. So, at least, we were able to get a hand of this one. So, winisig ko na ito kagabi. Kami natin ulit ngayon. Sobrang nagulat ako sa performance nito. No? Maganda yung performance nito mga tito. Maganda yung projection nito. Ito nakuha namin. At least ito nakuha namin. Atomizer good. Cup. Pull up cup. Madali. Hindi siya tigas tanggalin. Which is I like. So, unang mapapansin mo sa amoy yung nasa notes na pepper. Pepper talaga. Pagwisik pa lang. Yung note na yon, pepper talaga. As in, na pagwisik po, maamoy mo yung pink pepper to be exact daw. So again, I'm not gonna go with all the notes. Kung ano lang mga naamoy ko, kung ano palagi kong best na usage niya. This is sabi nila for men. But I think this can be also used by women. But this is suggested for men daw. Mga malakas na naamoy ko yung pink pepper, rose, yan naamoy ko yan. May konting citrus. Yan yung mga talaga naamoy ko ng sobra. So, I think itong mga ganitong type ng pabango, this can go kahit siguro summer or kahit gabi. Hindi, ano daw siya? Itong malamig, okay. So, this type of scent daw ay ginagamit most on winter or maybe cold nights, gabi. Or maybe a air-conditioned room. Kasi nga, siguro dahil sa pepper, warm and spicy, hindi siya enticing pag mainit, di ba? So, I think magagamit nito, well, mostly nasa office siguro, or if you're going to a date night, yan, mga ganyan. And then you're wearing, formal polo, formal. So, siguro to best gamitin sa gabi. Date night, movie night, yung tipong nakaayos ka talaga ng pananamit mo. Kasi, magaan lang din siya sa ilong kahit sabihin mong may pink pepper and rose. But I don't think that this is best pag summer, mainit. Kung ako tatanungin, sa amoy na to, medyo nakakainis siyang maamoy pag mainit kasi nga yung pepper, medyo malakas yung pepper niya. And then maamoy mo din yung medyo konting floral and warm spicy. So again, I suggest na this is probably for those people na, or those men. I think this can be used unisex eh. Women can also buy this, but it says that it's made for men, but you can do both ways, di ba? This one is definitely best for night. Cold night, winter, or wala man winter sa Pinas, but maybe an air-conditioned room, date, movie night. So, this is perfume for all ages, I can say. Kahit teenager ka hanggang siguro 40s ka na pa rin to, this will definitely suit yung event nyo kung meron kang event for that night. So, again, Toy Boy by Moschino, recommended. Yes, you can definitely try this. Message us on our page. We offer 3, 5, 10 ml para ma-check nyo muna kung gusto nyo ba yamoy bago nyo bilhin tong full bottle na to. So, thank you so much. Have a good Sunday.